BrandCrowd Logo Maker review, watch before using. If you're looking for a quick, professional logo for your business or project, you've likely come across BrandCrowd Logo Maker. Links to this tool are provided in the description for your convenience. In this video, I'll dive straight into what BrandCrowd offers, who it's best for, and whether it's worth your time and money. BrandCrowd is a robust platform that gives users access to thousands of ready-made logo templates across various industries and styles. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or even launching a side hustle, this tool is designed to make logo creation simple and fast. You don't need any design experience. Just enter your business name, select a logo design you like, and customize it. The editor allows you to adjust colors, fonts, layouts, and symbols to match your brand's identity. One standout feature of BrandCrowd is its massive library of designs, covering almost every niche you can think of. Unlike many other logo makers, the customization options are quite flexible, letting you fine-tune details for a unique look. Additionally, the platform provides branding packages, including business cards, social media kits, and merchandise designs, ensuring consistency across all your materials. However, keep in mind that BrandCrowd is a paid service. You can try creating a logo for free, but downloading it or accessing full features requires a subscription or one-time payment. While some might find it pricey, the quality and ease of use make it worth considering. In summary, BrandCrowd Logo Maker is perfect for entrepreneurs, startups, or anyone in need of a professional logo without the hassle of hiring a designer. It's a reliable choice for those on a budget but still want high-quality results. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps promote valuable content and ensures others can learn about tools like this. Thanks for watching.